Nothing kills the vibe of a drive faster than your engine feeling sluggish and unresponsive, almost like it is stuck in the wrong gear. But the problem might actually be hidden deep inside the cylinder head. We are talking about code P005D, which stands for B Camshaft Profile Control Circuit, stuck on bank 2. This sounds super technical, but let us break it down. Modern engines use fancy camshafts that can change the shape or profile of their lobes on the fly. It is like having two different engines in one, a fuel-efficient one for cruising and a high-performance one for when you mash the throttle. The computer uses solenoids to switch between these profiles mechanically. The code tells us that on bank 2, that is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. The system is stuck in the on position. This can mess up your power bands and tank your fuel economy. Now, before you start tearing apart the engine, I have a massive tip for you. Check your oil. Seriously, this entire system runs on oil pressure. If your oil is dirty, low, or the wrong viscosity, the hydraulic solenoids cannot work properly. Sludge can clog the tiny passages and make the valve stick. So your first step is to pull the dipstick. Is the oil black or gritty? Is the level low? If so, change the oil and filter immediately using the manufacturer recommended viscosity. If the oil is perfect, then we move to electricity. Locate the solenoid for the camshaft profile control on bank 2. Inspect the wiring harness closely. These wires sit right on top of a vibrating engine, so the insulation often rubs through, or the connector tabs break, causing a loose connection. Use some electrical contact cleaner on the plugs to ensure a solid connection. If the wiring is solid and the oil is clean, the solenoid itself might be mechanically jammed or electrically dead. You can usually test these by applying voltage to see if they click, but honestly, 9 times out of 10 with this code, it all comes down to oil maintenance. Keep that oil clean, and you will likely keep this code away for good.